Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look on my face. I wore a version of this look yesterday, so the day before I filmed this, with different colors, so it's something that you can easily change the color combination. So today, since it's Easter when I'm filming, I got inspired by a carrot. So we're playing with oranges and greens, and then I did a yellow eyeliner. So if you're interested to see how I achieved this look, which you can use whatever colors that you want, just keep watching. Let's begin the tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is apply some primer. I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is a little sample I got from Sephora. I'm still on the fence about it, but what I do love is this concealer by the Organic Skin Company. It's amazing. This is practically all I've been wearing on my face for the last 3, almost 4 weeks. I use the shade Rose Sand, which is practically my skin tone. It just looks super natural. Has really nice, I would say more medium coverage, but in areas where I need more coverage, I can just dab some on with my finger, just pack it on. But it just looks so natural. I love it. Another thing that I love is this Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer. You've seen me use this plenty of times, but it's just so blendable. And I use the shade Baked, which is perfect if you have, you know, fair to light skin tones. And another thing from the Organic Skin Company, this is their Cheeky Lips. So obviously you can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips. But this shade, which is Desert Storm, is an incredible orange. It's an orange that you don't see very often. Since I went orange, I have had to change up my brow products. I can no longer use the Glossier Boy Brow because they don't make a shade like this. I'm using the shade Caramel, which makes my eyebrows look a little bit more warmer without having to bleach them, which is really nice. Now for the eyes. Same primer, the NARS one. It's still my favorite for really, really oily eyelids. But the main star of this look is obviously the eyeshadows. Like I mentioned before, you can use any combination of eyeshadows. I'm using the ones from this Carroty palette, which is amazing. You can't see me, but I'm doing the thumbs up behind the scenes. It is just such great quality for the price. So I'm starting out with an orange. I'm using the shade Coquette. I'm just starting in the inner corner and sweeping towards the center of the lid. You can choose how far you want to go on your lid. I just kind of stopped halfway. Now I'm going to take the shade Cancun, which is like a darker coral shade, and I'm going to add it in the inner portion where we place the Coquette shade. This is completely optional. If you're going with a darker color like I did with the lime green from the J Kissa palette and the other version of this look, then you don't have to do all the mixing, but I was playing with some more pastel shades just like this one. So I wanted to create more of a gradient effect with this. Totally unnecessary, but that's what I did. You'll see me mix a little bit of Medusa, which is the darker green, just to make the green pop a little bit more. I happen to have a Kelly green eyeliner, which I used. Obviously you're seeing me use, but I know ColourPop recently relaunched their eyeliners. But now for the yellow eyeliner, I'm using the Glossier Play Nectar eyeliner, which is so pretty. I love it. It's a mustard yellow. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. And I just created a wing. You could obviously go big, go small. It's up to you. Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It's my favorite mascara, and I'm so excited to try out the primer. I can't wait. I feel like it's gonna be really, really nice. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter in the inner corner of my eye. Again, something that's optional, but I do like highlighting the inner corner of the eye. I think it looks pretty. And for the lips, orange. Obviously, if we're gonna go for a carrot look, might as well complete it with an orange lipstick. And this one, just like the Cheeky Lips, is this beautiful, weird shade of orange. It's kind of like a yellow-based orange. You don't see it very often, but it is such a pretty eyeshadow, lip color. And here I'm adding just a little bit more of the cheeky lips, just because I felt like it was lacking a little bit of color. I tend to do that a lot. Now for highlighting, Glossier Play highlighter. It looks really pretty. I could have probably used my fingers, but I used a brush. That was extra. And that's pretty much it. Now enjoy my face while I awkwardly pose in front of the camera. And that's it for this video, this carrot inspired makeup tutorial. I never thought I would say this, but then again, I did do a grape inspired makeup tutorial, so it now seems very logical for me to do food inspired makeup tutorials. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you've tried Carroty, let me know in the comments below, because this was my first time trying Carroty eyeshadows, and first of all, they're so affordable for the quality, and there's so many colors. Look at this, so many different colors. I could easily do a random color challenge video with this palette, just because of the different combinations that I could come up with. So if you want to see that, also let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're brand new to this channel, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!